How much to rent U-Haul? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can figure out how much it actually cost to rent a U-Haul truck to move your objects and your stuffs. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you want to rent a U-Haul is basically a truck moving service that will allow you, let's say you're shifting places, you want to carry all your stuff from one place to another, then in that case you can hire a truck or rent a truck from U-Haul. Now the cost of a U-Haul really also depends upon the location, such as if you come to the uhaul.com website, here you can select your pickup location and your drop-off location and select a date and then tap the get rates option, and the average price for this could vary between minimum from $19 per day anywhere up to $60 to $70, and even further for depending upon how long you actually want a truck for. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.